Hi everyone, I'm back with a new lesson. This video is not just for IELTS candidates and it's good for all English learners. Today I'm going to talk about instead of and how to use it in a sentence. First, let's check the meaning. Instead of means in place of someone or something. And what about some good synonyms for that? You can use in place of and rather than. Let's see different ways to use instead of in a good sentence. Way number one, you can use instead of with a noun. So, I drank coffee instead of tea. Very easy. You can use instead of with a name. I went to the party instead of John. You can use instead of with a pronoun. I went to the party instead of him. And then finally, the most important way to use instead of is to use it with a verb. How? Let's see. You should use instead of with a verb with an ing. So you could say, he went to the party instead of waiting for me. Now it's your turn. Tell me, what do you do instead of studying English?